Thai chicken coconut soup. Easy, tasty, heavenly. I'll teach you right now. Stick around.
Our red boat fish sauce. We're gonna add some fish sauce here. Let's marinate our. We don't have all the Thai ingredients. These are great. The curry paste. The chicken first. Add some. Just a little bit of the chicken stock. Just know that. Mix it up. Just some cold more chicken stock. So it starts getting a little quiet. Aromatics. We're gonna add the ginger, also some chili, the kaffir lime leaves, the lemongrass. Really get good creamy coconut milk. Also, we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. So there are some missing components, like you can have a little small bowl. I can have a little small bowl of chicken, Thai chicken coconut soup, chicken tom kai. Chicken tom kai soup.
Oh, that was fast.